Welcome to the podcast where markets meet perspective. I'm Manuela, your host. Together with my father, who shares his analytical market insights, we break down commodities, equities, geopolitics, and market sentiment. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, not investment advice. Welcome everyone to this week's podcast. In this first part of the podcast, we'll be walking you through the charts of the commodities. Let's see what they've been up to this week.
Yeah. Share my screen. Visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the gold chart. Like I said, there's a dead cross here. It was a couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago or something. And it's still in this triangle pattern. My expectation is still it's going to 3,800. And from there, maybe it goes up again, but I think this will take at least a month, maybe a couple of months, until the trend is bending and going up again. At least that I hope for, to be honest. Almost the bottom is in, is my expectation now. Silver has formed a dead cross here. Also silver is still dropping. It's becoming close to the 55. Also here a bottom is forming. Yeah, from this level, I think it's a buying opportunity, but yeah, if the Fed raises its interest rates, then maybe silver is going down, and also gold is going down again. Yeah, it's the same applies for platinum. Maybe this is a bottoming pattern already. That platinum is front running silver and gold, but from this level it also can go down. Then uranium.
Still nothing happening.
It's flat. Only the stocks are dropping and dropping. It's really terrible in the uranium space. I lost a lot of money there. But the uranium itself, it still looks pretty good. Yeah, I still expect this to go largely to the upside, like a move like this, to be honest, in the next couple of months. But with all the metals and all the whole energy space is waiting for the Iran USA war to calm down, is my expectation now. Yeah, because everything is yeah, more or less calming down and dropping in price. So maybe traders are not that fond of buying stuff. So that's why the prices are dropping. But at some point they have to buy. And
But
for
have you
uranium,
sold any uranium stocks yourself?
no, I'm selling put options now.
Oh, that's where your losses come from.
Yeah,
Oh,
but it's a very dangerous game, to be honest, because I lost a lot of money there. It's still my expectation that it will go up again. So my losses will vanish and bend into big profits. But yeah, it's very hard to stick on it, to be honest. So the prices of stocks are really dropping. I don't understand why. It's the only understanding is that the trade is risk off. So investors are selling their stocks. That is basically the case. They want to have cash. This is copper. It's dropping again underneath this 50-day moving average, but it's still in this triangle pattern. It's a weak pattern, and prices above the 200-day moving average are still very bullish. I view this still as a very bullish trend. Short term, yeah, it has some weak momentum now. But you see a lot of messages that the supply from the miners are dropping and dropping, so the production is dropping of the copper. Yeah, I also expected that because of the sulfuric acid shortage that there is, and therefore copper mines are that have heap leaching processes are producing less, and you see that in Chile, for example. So BHP, that's a large mining company, dropped its expectation of production. Also Rio Tinto, that's the second largest, also dropped, and you see more copper companies that give lower expectations of production. So,
But the demand
uh,
will remain the same or become even higher.
the
So,
demand is staying the same.
yeah.
So, yeah, probably prices will stay at this elevated level, and
Hmm.
when traders come in and buying the copper even more, then yeah, prices will go up. So I only see a bullish scenario here, to be honest. For the stocks, it's a different scenario. They are dropping now. Not as much as uranium stocks, but they are still dropping. It's not for tin. Tin is very bullish again. It's just below its 50-day moving average, so it's hanging on this region, slightly above or slightly below. Yeah, and I still read a lot of good stuff about tin. So I like it at these levels. I'm not buying stocks, to be honest, but yeah, I'm holding on my positions in tin. Nickel is going up again. I already said that this drop, yeah, wasn't too large drop, too negative sentiment. So you see here it rises again. It's not my expectation that it will shoot up to this level again, but it probably will stay between the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. That's my expectation now. And when the war in Iran and USA is over, maybe it's going up again. Then oil, yeah, I don't understand this, to be honest. I don't understand why prices are not shooting up again. The Strait of Hormuz is closed again. Future investments are dropping in oil,
The
especially in
supply is
the
also
Middle East.
dropping.
Supply is dropping, the inventories are dropping. So yeah, at some point the prices have to go up. Trump is forcing that prices will go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can laugh about it, but the man is right until now, because yeah, this move he already predicted that, and yeah, yeah,
I
it's my
don't see it
expectation.
happening.
No, I don't know. All the scenarios I look at, the prices have to stay on this level or go up. It's still my expectation that $80 is the floor for oil, but I could be wrong. Yeah, this is American crude. It's the same scenario. Natural gas. Yeah, it's a lot of in the US, so prices are dropping, but they're forming a bottom here again, so maybe it go up again. And you see prices in Europe are rising and rising, and that's probably due to Asian and European buying of LNG. I read an article about Pakistan that they were the highest bidder of LNG carriers. They need a lot of LNG now at this moment, so they're bidding up the prices. The stock levels in Europe are still low. and in the Netherlands are still low. So they have to buy a lot still. I'm curious how this will end, to be honest, next winter. I hope we don't get a very severe winter. This is cooking coal. I like the trend, to be honest. I was a little bit worried here, but you see prices are going up again, and also European gas prices are going up. So I expect Asian prices also going up, and Asian cooking coal prices also going up. And I saw an interview with someone that follows the market very closely, and he said this is the time for coal traders to buy again. So these are always weak months, June and July, and in August and September they are going to buy again, and especially in India. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Met coal, it's forming a little bit of a bottom here. My expectation that it will stay between the 200-day and 50-day moving average from here on. So it's looking good, to be honest. Then we go to the soft commodities. And this is wheat, and wheat is shooting up.
Yeah.
It has the last 2 days, it had some weak moments. And the prices are shooting up because I will also say this in the X messages section of our podcast. But the export facilities in Ukraine and Russia are being hit. So there are less wheat from Russia and the Ukraine coming onto the market, and that's why the prices are shooting up. For corn, you see a dead crosser forming here, but the prices shoot up a little bit. It's my expectation that they will rise from this level, and I hope they will rise quickly, so I get some value back from my options that are still on zero level. So coffee doing reasonably good. 50-day, I say it correctly. Yeah, 50-day is way underneath its 200-day. Yeah, but you see here if it's forming a higher bottom here, then it's okay. Then the trend goes up here. For cacao, our favorite one, the trend is very bullish. We had some down movements yesterday, for example. Today it's slightly up again. So I will hope the trend will follow this path again. And you see here a golden cross form. Yeah. So next week probably we have a golden cross here. I hope for that because that gives support for the upward trend. Sugar, sorry. Like I said yesterday, I don't trust that it move, and I was right on that, to be honest. So my expectation is that it will drop a little bit more or stay on this level and form a higher bottom. So if it forms a higher bottom here, maybe it's a good moment to buy sugar.
So you don't expect a golden cross here as well?
Not anytime soon, no.
Okay.
No. Maybe if it forms a higher bottom then here and it shoots up again, then maybe, but I don't expect that. And for sugar also, the petrol prices you have to, so the crack spread prices you have to keep in mind. And why do I say that? In Brazil, for example, they use a lot of sugar corn to make ethanol, and they mix it in the petrol.
Okay.
So if petrol prices are rising, then they mixing more ethanol in the petrol. So that's something to watch. And the crack prices are now shooting up. So my expectation is that they use sugar cane to process this kind of stuff. So the sugar prices also cannot go up. This is soybean oil. The trend looks good. My expectation that it will form a top here and it go down a little bit and then maybe form a lower bottom. But if it stays above its 200-day moving average, then the trend is upwards, and it's still a good trend. And this trend I really like. It's lumber. See a slowly going up trend. It's a beautiful trend to be honest. Live cattle. Yeah, I drew a triangle pattern here. So my expectation is that it will fill up this trend line or go up break out of this triangle pattern, but I don't expect this week or this month even. I expect this will fill up this gap and then shoot up. If it breaks out, it's maybe a good buying opportunity in live cattle. I don't know how, but I'm still investigating that. I need some time to get into it, and also need some cash.
That's also important.
Yeah, I see more opportunities in silver and gold, so there is where my attention going, and not
Yeah.
not in
Also
this
because
market.
you understand it better.
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
Thank
that
you for
was
your
it for the.
insights.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, then we see each
Till the
other in the next
next.
section.
Yeah, until the next section.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you're finding this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to continue creating valuable content. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. If you want deeper market insights, model portfolios, and high-quality research, make sure to visit the InvestorAssistancePro.com website and subscribe to our paid services. We should remind you that we do not provide investment advice in all our services. For free tools, tips, and educational content, check out beleggershulp.nl. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.